Hello, today we want to talk about the transportation market and what the meaning of clean is and how clean can help the bottom line of owners, fleet managers, maintenance managers in the transportation industry. Okay, remember who we're talking to here and know that our objective here is to teach. Our objective here is to make these people, the owners, the fleet managers, the maintenance managers, aware of the fact and all the facts about how clean can in fact affect their bottom line in a positive way. So we're there to talk about their profits, their bottom line, and how we and clean can help leverage those benefits to enable them to maximize their profits. If you think about it, they're the only industry in the world in construction that when they come in and they look out on the parking lot and it's empty, that means that everything's out on the road making money. They smile. When it's not empty, they're not maximizing the profits. So what can get in the way of your assets being on the road? That's what it's all about. Keeping and getting those assets, all of them, out on the road making money. Well, dirt, grease, and grime are costing them money. And the three ways it's doing it is downtime of equipment, drivers and operators, they don't have enough of them or they don't show up at work. And three, customer demand. They just don't have enough customers asking for their services. So we're going to talk today about the clean and how the benefits of clean can help them solve these problems, these pains. Okay, let's talk about downtime, equipment downtime. How does clean affect equipment downtime in a positive way? How does it keep those trucks on the road or those vehicles and assets on the road making money? Well, first of all, it starts with operator pride. It's a fact and a given fact that people that drive clean vehicles take better care of them. They drive them more carefully and they just take care of the asset better if it's clean and kept clean. Preventative maintenance. You know, every vehicle, every asset, to make sure we don't have breakdowns that take equipment off the road more of the time, we need to do preventative maintenance. And that's done quicker and easier if in fact the engine and the places they're doing the maintenance are clean and kept clean. Inspections. We all know that anyone pressure washing a vehicle is looking at where they're pressure washing. We know that by doing that, if trained properly, the washing people, the people that wash the trucks and vehicles, will be able to see problems as they clean the vehicle. Also, of course, a clean vehicle, clean lines are going to show leaks and show problems way before something that is dirty. Well, we won't be able to see it. So just the fact that we're cleaning them with pressure washer, we're looking at what we're cleaning, we're going to find problems before they happen or get too big. Regulations. We all know that clean vehicle is less apt to be pulled over and checked than a dirty vehicle. And when they do get pulled over, they're going to get a little more leniency in that check and that go over than they would if that vehicle was dirty and oily and greasy. Safety. Clean assets are safer to drive and highlight issues early. So again, if we're inspecting, we're cleaning, we're washing, things that affect safety are going to show up just like maintenance problems will. And clean vehicles have a lot better view. The windshields are clean, the windows are all clean, the mirrors are clean. All those things affect safety. And again, operator pride. If somebody's driving a nice, new, clean vehicle, they're going to take a lot more pride in what they do. They're going to be more careful and drive more carefully. So let's talk about drivers and operators and how clean affects that. It's a well-known fact that drivers and operators around the U.S. are hard to find. These people are hard to recruit, and there's not enough of them to fill the needs out there. Again, operator pride plays a part in this. If you have good equipment that's kept clean and these operators are driving these vehicles, they're going to be retained. They're not going to tend to leave. They're going to like working there. There's a lot of other factors, but keeping a clean vehicle and giving them good equipment to drive is going to retain the great drivers. Clean assets are a traveling recruitment tool. you've got dirty trucks going all over the country or all over the region or all over the city, or buses or whatever it is, the transportation that you're dealing with, whatever those assets are. It's a recruiting tool for drivers. People are going to see those trucks, love to drive one of those trucks, and you're going to be easy to recruit great people. Company pride, again, promotes the core values. You're putting your truck out there, and if it's dirty, it's not going to promote the core values of the company. And that's what people tend to be gravitating toward, at least great people, A players. They want to come to work for someone that is clean, drives the best, does a great job. Great drivers are much more productive. An A player is proven over and over again can do 2 to 3 times the work of an average employee. So if we want to attract great drivers, A players, we need to give them good equipment and keep that equipment clean. Customer demand. Well, if you got your vehicles are your billboard, they're your brand, and if they're going around dirty, greasy, sloppy, you're not going to be attracting customers that way. You're going to be turning them off. If you're hauling equipment, other kinds of things for those people, it's going to reflect on the care in which they perceive that you use in serving your customers if you're driving around dirty, beat up, greasy, sloppy vehicles. So keeping them clean, driving good equipment, keeping it clean is going to have an effect on your marketing and on your brand in the community. These are the extras return on investment you get from investing in clean. An extended asset life, equipment that's kept clean, preventative maintenance, kept up to date. Those assets are going to last longer, and that's going to affect your bottom line in a positive way. Also, when it's time to trade them in or resell them, that value is going to be much higher if they've been maintained and kept clean over the life of that product. Well, how do you leverage clean as an owner of a transportation company, a fleet manager, a maintenance manager? You leverage by looking at it as an investment, not an expense. We're going to invest in clean, and if we invest in clean, we're going to expect to get a great ROI, return on investment, for that investment. But to get those benefits that we talked about, you need a well-maintained cleaning system. It needs to be working at maximum capability at all times. Just like your capital equipment, it needs preventative maintenance. It needs to be maintained by people that know what they're doing, that are highly trained and the best in the industry at maintaining and repairing these cleaning systems. You need to make sure we're utilizing the proper detergents to get the job done effective and efficiently, and to ensure that we're cleaning the best we can do, the most efficiently we can do it, to leverage the power of clean and get those benefits that I was talking about. So why us? Because we own clean. We have the best trained, most experienced, and best equipped technicians to tune up and maintain your current cleaning system. We're not there, and we don't want to meet with these people and talk about pressure washers or buying a new pressure washer. Our whole objective is to teach them and get them to trust us to come in, take over the maintenance of their system that they have today, get the soap business, get the service business, get the parts business, and whenever they need new equipment, who are they going to buy it from? They're going to buy it from us. But there's very few people out there that are looking for a new pressure washer today. There's a lot of people out there, though, that we can teach the benefits of clean, and that they will see the value in having us come in and maintain what they've got, make it better, upgrade it, enhance it, make sure they're doing it in the proper way. We can train their operators to safely and effectively derive the benefits of clean. And we, if needed, can provide experts to design and build wash bays, treat wastewater, provide trailer rigs for mobile use, parts washers for their shop, etc., etc. But we own clean. Let us help you leverage its benefits for your bottom line. That's what it's all about, bottom line. And we want to show them and train them and teach them that there are a lot of benefits and a lot of ways to leverage clean that are actually going to return an investment. Make a good return on that investment they're making in clean.